All right, so Facebook accounts get hacked way more often than people think, not just from weak passwords, but small settings most users ignore. In this video, I'll show you how to properly secure your Facebook account from hackers using advanced but simple steps that actually work in 2026. First things first, let's lock down your password. Head into your account settings and open the security section. Change your password to something long, unique, and never used anywhere else. So, no names, no birthdays, no reused passwords. A password manager helps a lot here, by the way. Next, and this is huge, turn on two-factor authentication. This means even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without a second code. Use an authenticator app instead of text messages if you can. It's just more secure, honestly. Now, scroll down and look for where you're logged in. This shows every device and location using your account. If you see anything weird, anything you don't recognize, log it out immediately. Then change your password again just to be safe. All right. Next, make sure the email and phone number connected to your account are actually yours. Remove old emails, inactive phone numbers, or anything you don't control anymore. Hackers love forgotten recovery options. I mean, that's how they sneak in. Now, this part gets overlooked a lot. Go to apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. If you see apps you don't recognize or no longer use, remove them. Less access means fewer attack points. Simple as that. Finally, turn on login alerts. This way, you get notified anytime someone tries to log into your account from a new device. Email and app notifications both, enable them. You want to know instantly if something's off. And that's it. Once these settings are in place, your Facebook account becomes extremely hard to break into. Quick tip. Review these settings every few months. Security isn't a one-time thing. If this helped, save it, share it, and I'll see you in the next guide.